What's up, guys? This is Korean class with JinSam. So it's checkout time today. Did you memorize everything we studied together about daily routine, morning stuff that we do every day? We studied these last time. So wake up, workout, exercise, jog, take a shower, eat breakfast, put on clothes, and go to work. So anyway, I will show you pictures and then you just try to speak up, okay? Of course in Korean. Okay, I will show you how to first. I will give you subject and then you make a sentence with that subject with picture. You try to describe it in Korean, okay? So for example, I give you I. So in this picture you have to say 나는, or if you want to say in polite form, 저는 일어나요. Okay? 나는 일어나요. If I change, for example, she, what do you have to say? 그녀는 일어나요. You understand, right? Let's try one more time. Yes! You. If I give you you, you have to say what? 너는 아침 먹어요. Right? Okay, finished. So let's try it. Okay, how you feel? It's easy or hard? If you studied hard, you feel it's very easy. And if it's not enough, you feel what the fuck. Okay, so you have to study like this. You can speak right away in that situation. Okay, you have to practice repeatedly, then you can make yourself to be able to speak up right away in that situation. You don't have to say you don't have to. That's why we practice like this way. Okay, let's try it one more time with me this time. 저는 운동해요. 나는 일어나요. 그는 출근해요. 우리는 샤워해요. 그들은 운동해요. 그녀는 아침밥 먹어요. 우리는 조깅해요. Okay, great job. So if there is someone who is not able to speak right away with pictures, please practice this over and over again. Before you do it, of course, you have to memorize perfectly about the chapter we studied the last time, okay? Great job. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.